Hi guys, welcome to another one of my videos. My name is Ross and this is a 2023 Subaru Forester. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the engine air filter. Super easy and you don't need any tools at all. As you can see, I've already popped the bonnet, but for those of you who don't know how to do that, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, just come back to the front of the car. We're just going to put our hand in underneath this Subaru badge and we're going to push that lever there to the left. And we grab this bonnet stay and we pop that up there, and that makes sure your engine bay or your hood is nice and secure. So if you just have a look at the main engine block in the middle here, you've actually got your induction tube that comes along here, past your mass airflow sensor, and then into this box here, and then you've got a cold air feed there. So this is actually where our air filter is kept. Two clips on the top, pop them both off like that, and we can just actually rotate that up and away, and then we can take out our engine air filter. Now it is a bit tricky to do on this. This is the second time I've done this and it is a bit tricky, and you can see it's pretty dirty on this car, and I'd recommend this one actually gets changed. The other thing is that a lot of debris can actually get collected down here. So once you've got this off, you can actually go ahead with your vacuum cleaner and clear out any debris. Once you've got your new one, again, a little bit tricky. Get that in, making sure the fins are facing forward, tucked in all the way around. Then rotate the clips round just like that. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the engine air filter on a Subaru Forester from 2023. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.